Secretary. One moment.
Excuse me. I'm being transferred to the Secretary. This is at the Iowa Attorney General's office.
Attorney General's office, this is Cathy.
Hello, Cathy. I need to speak to somebody about felonies, which the court is committing through the person of Michael Wolf, the prosecutor in Clinton County, Iowa, who has committed a felony by destroying 4 post-conviction relief applications, and a judge, Henry Latham, who wants to suppress exculpatory evidence.
So you want to file a complaint against the county attorney and a complaint against the judge, is that correct?
Well, look, I want more than a complaint. These things are totally not only wrong, but they're both felonies.
All I can give you, sir, are the 2 entities that handle concerns. They're 2 separate ones. Concerns against judges go to the Judicial Qualifications.
The Judicial Qualifications Committee, I am finding out, is just a good old boys club.
I'm sorry, sir, I don't know what to tell you because our office has no statutory authority to review.
Do you mean to tell me that as far as okay, look, I'm a journalist. So your answer is important because I want to get this story out.
That's my response, that we do not handle concerns against county attorneys nor judges.
Okay, well, how does somebody get by?
I can give you 2 places that do.
Well, if you're talking about the Judicial Qualifications Committee or the Ethics Committee, you're talking about those 2 entities. Well, those 2 entities are good old boys clubs, and they don't want to get involved. So is it fair for me to say at this time that the Iowa Attorney General's office wants to turn a blind eye away from a racist prosecutor and a corrupt court system?
It's fair to say that our office does not handle the concerns.
It's fair to say that there is nobody who gives a rat's patoot that that the people you're supposed to be overseeing, and you're supposed to be.
No, we are not supposed to.
Oh, well so as far as the Iowa Attorney General's office is concerned, anybody who wears a suit and works for the court can do whatever they want to do.
You're not going to put words into my mouth, sir.
Oh, hey, I am the editor of a newspaper. I can put whatever words in anybody's mouth that I want to.
You're not putting words in my mouth.
Good. I want to talk to somebody from your office.
No, you're talking.
Well, then you've said, then those words are in your mouth. What's your name?
Words in my mouth.
What's your name?
Cathy White. CathyWhite. I'm going to reiterate, our office does not oversee the actions of the county attorney.
Well, maybe your office ought to concern itself with shit like that.
Well, then what
Haven't I? Okay, I'll tell you what. You are front page centerfold, dear. You're famous. This is your 15 minutes of fame. And this is how the state of Iowa makes themselves into Nazis. That was Cathy White, and she is the flag catcher from the Attorney General's office. This is Dmitry Ivanovich with a naked truth.